Whether you're brewing the perfect batch of beer, growing delicate seedlings, or maintaining a reptile terrarium, one thing is critical: precise temperature control. A reliable temperature controller can make all the difference in performance, safety, and results. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best temperature controllers you can buy right now. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out and find the one that fits your needs best. Let's get started. Number 5. WILLHI WH2408 Temperature Controller. Rugged design meets intuitive function in the WILLHI WH2408 Temperature Controller. This model is a favorite among serious hobbyists and professionals alike for its exceptional accuracy, dual-mode control, and incredibly easy operation. Whether you are regulating a terrarium, incubator, or even using it for sous vide cooking, this digital thermostat plug is built to perform. It features a durable ABS fire-retardant shell and offers a control range from -50°C to 110°C, or -58°F to 230°F. Unlike other models that rely heavily on digital menus, the WH2408 simplifies operation with 2 physical knobs to adjust your on and off temperature settings. This makes it especially user-friendly for those who prefer tactile controls or want quick adjustments without navigating complex digital interfaces. Despite its analog-style operation, this controller delivers modern performance. Number 4. Meross Smart Temperature Controller. For tech-savvy users who love automation, the Meross Smart Temperature Controller is a standout. This Wi-Fi-enabled plug-in thermostat brings smart home integration into the world of precise temperature control. Compatible with Apple Home, Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and SmartThings, it lets you monitor and adjust temperatures remotely from anywhere. Number 3. KETOTEK Digital Thermostat Outlet Plug Temperature Controller. If precision and versatility are at the top of your wish list, the KETOTEK Digital Thermostat Outlet Plug makes a compelling case. This compact yet capable device allows you to control both heating and cooling systems with remarkable accuracy. Its plug-and-play design means there is no wiring required. Just plug in your device, set your desired temperatures, and let it take over. Supporting a broad temperature range from -40°C to 120°C, or -40°F to 248°F, it's engineered for a wide range of environments, from cold storage to reptile habitats and fermentation setups. The KETOTEK controller's display is available in both backlit and non-backlit versions. The crisp LCD shows real-time temperatures in either Celsius or Fahrenheit and is incredibly user-friendly. You can easily switch between heating and cooling modes, and it includes a memory function that saves your settings in case of a power outage. Number 2. BNLink Digital Cooling Thermostat Controller. If you're specifically looking for a cooling-only solution, the BNLink Digital Cooling Thermostat Controller is a compact, affordable, and user-friendly device. Designed primarily for applications like attic fans, exhaust systems, and swamp coolers, this thermostat is perfect for greenhouses, garages, chicken coops, and more. The setup is as simple as it gets. Just plug in the device, insert the sensor probe where you want temperature monitored, and use the intuitive 3-button interface to set your desired cooling temperature. The unit supports readings in both Fahrenheit and Celsius and includes LED indicators that let you know when it's actively cooling. It also includes a buffer zone of 2 to 3 degrees Fahrenheit before it turns your device back on, preventing frequent power cycling and prolonging the lifespan of your connected equipment. This is ideal for systems that need steady rather than overly sensitive climate control. In terms of build quality, it's housed in a rugged plastic shell, and the temperature probe cable extends nearly 5 feet, making it easy to reach into hard-to-access spaces. Number 1. Inkbird ITC 308 Digital Temperature Controller. The Inkbird ITC 308 is a tried-and-true favorite for anyone needing both heating and cooling functionality. Its dual relay output allows you to connect both types of devices simultaneously, making it extremely versatile for environments like greenhouses, fermentation chambers, and terrariums. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest and detailed product reviews.